everybody. It is December 31st, 2021, last day of the year. We are going out, not anything big. We're not going to a party. We're not going out in any big crowds. We're going to have a fairly quiet dinner in a local restaurant, and I will have some footage of that. But I am starting to get ready to go out. I don't have my hair or my face on yet, but I am wearing a corset, an off-the-shoulder chemise with a sheer sleeve, a white petticoat with lace trim, and a modern netted petticoat under that, in addition to drawers, stockings, and shoes.
Alright, sorry, I'm trying to keep people out of the shot.
Sorry. Hi everybody, we're here at Headley Village. I'm enjoying a small beverage. We're going to have a little bit to eat in a few minutes. My son and my husband had some ice cream, so they've had a snack too. And we are all having a very good time. It's very mild today. I'm very comfortable. I don't feel cold in this outfit. And a very happy new year to everybody.
Good idea. You have to walk. Quietly walk